Good morning and welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we delve into the wonders of the natural world and explore the complexities of our relationship with the environment. Imagine a primate so adaptable it can thrive in a variety of habitats, from the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia to the bustling streets of urban cities. The long-tailed macaque, with its agile physique and intelligent gaze, is one such creature. However, despite its adaptability, this medium-sized monkey has seen its populations decline sharply over the years due to habitat loss, climate change, hunting, and a significant threat, the trade for biomedical research. The long-tailed macaque has been listed as endangered on the IUCN Red List since 2022, with its population declining by at least 50% over 3 decades. This stark reality raises questions about our responsibility towards these animals and the ecosystems they inhabit. The United States in particular plays a significant role in this narrative, as it imports thousands of long-tailed macaques each year for medical testing, making it the largest importer in the world. The story takes a complex turn with the involvement of breeding facilities in countries like Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam, which supply laboratories abroad. There are allegations of illegal trafficking, where wild-caught monkeys are laundered through these facilities as captive-bred animals and then exported under falsified permits. This not only underscores the depth of the problem, but also highlights the challenges in regulating the trade of endangered species. The decision by the Fish and Wildlife Service to decline protecting the long-tailed macaque under the Domestic Endangered Species Act, despite its endangered status and evidence of illegal trade, sparks a critical conversation about our priorities and values. It prompts us to consider whether our pursuit of scientific progress should come at the cost of threatening species with extinction. As we navigate these ethical dilemmas, it's essential to remember that the fate of species like the long-tailed macaque is intertwined with our own. Their stories serve as a mirror, reflecting back our impact on the planet and challenging us to adopt a more compassionate and sustainable approach to coexisting with nature. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk, where we're exploring the fascinating world of wildlife and conservation. In our previous segment, we delved into the intricate lives of animals that often go unnoticed. Now, let's dive into the mysterious realm of India's hidden finless porpoises. These enigmatic creatures inhabit the turbid coastal waters of India, making them a challenging species for researchers to study. The Indo-Pacific finless porpoise is one of India's smallest cetaceans, reaching lengths of 1.5 to 1.9 meters and weighing between 30 to 45 kilograms. Its inconspicuous nature, coupled with the lack of a dorsal fin, makes it a difficult species to spot in the wild. However, recent research suggests that these animals are more prevalent in Indian waters than previously thought, yet they may be disappearing before they can be accurately counted. So, how do researchers track these elusive creatures? The answer lies in their unique ability to navigate turbid waters using echolocation. By emitting high-frequency pulses, finless porpoises can build a mental map of their surroundings, allowing them to detect prey and avoid predators. These clicks are unique to the species and are far above the range of human hearing, but they can be detected by specialized sound recording devices. A recent study off the Sindhudurg coast in India used both visual and acoustic surveys to count finless porpoises. The results were striking. Acoustic surveys detected finless porpoises 4 times more often than visual surveys. This highlights the importance of using acoustic monitoring to track this species, as relying solely on visual estimates may only capture part of the picture. Understanding the population trends of the finless porpoise in India is crucial, given the increasing threats they face in their habitat. The shallow coastal zones they inhabit are becoming hazardous due to boat traffic, and the porpoises frequently get entangled in fishing nets as bycatch, resulting in suffocation. In Goa alone, an estimated 26 porpoises die annually along a 100-kilometer stretch of coastline. The biology of finless porpoises makes them particularly vulnerable to entanglement. Unlike dolphins, whose conical teeth can sometimes allow them to tear through nets, porpoises have spade-shaped teeth that snag easily. As marine mammal researcher Dipani Sutarian notes, dolphins can sometimes tear out of nets, but porpoises cannot. They get stressed easily, and fishers say they cry like human children when entangled. This impairs their ability to distinguish between food and danger, making it even more challenging for them to survive in their habitat. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of wildlife, it's essential to recognize the importance of conservation efforts. By shifting towards acoustic monitoring, researchers can generate long-term population data needed to protect these incredible creatures. The story of India's hidden finless porpoises serves as a reminder of the complexities and challenges involved in conserving our planet's biodiversity. As we conclude our journey through the natural world today, I want to take you to the Isle of Wight, off the coast of England, where a devastating wildfire has ravaged a precious heathland habitat. This fire, believed to have been started by a careless campfire, has left a trail of destruction in its wake, burning across 9 hectares of land and threatening the very existence of the unique flora and fauna that call this place home. The images from the scene are heart-wrenching, charred remains of what was once a thriving ecosystem, now nothing but blackened stumps and ash. The fire's remote location and steep slopes made it a challenging battle for firefighters, who worked tirelessly to bring the blaze under control. At its peak, 80 brave men and women tackled the inferno, with helicopters dropping seawater on the flames in a desperate bid to extinguish them. But despite their best efforts, the damage has been done. The heathland, once teeming with life, now lies barren and still. Ground-nesting birds, whose chicks and nests were destroyed in the fire, will take years to recover. The vegetation too will take time to regrow, a long, slow process that will require patience, dedication, and careful management. As we reflect on this tragic event, it's a stark reminder of the dangers of wildfires and the importance of responsible behavior in our natural world. A small spark, carelessly discarded, can have catastrophic consequences. It's a lesson we must all learn from, and one that we must take to heart as we venture out into the countryside. The Isle of Wight has seen an alarming increase in wildfires this year, with 13 large fires reported so far, more than the whole of last year. It's a trend that's both disturbing and worrying, and one that demands our attention and action. So let us all take a moment to appreciate the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Let us respect the land, the wildlife, and the people who work tirelessly to protect it. And let us remember that our actions have consequences. Consequences that can be devastating, as we've seen in this heartbreaking story from the Isle of Wight. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.